Okay, this is question 4 and 5. It just express the confidence interval in the form of x bar plus or minus the margin of error. So you can either list the confidence interval in interval notation like this, or I guess you would call this x bar notation, I don't know. But let's just say the margin of error, or the confidence interval, was from 6 to 10. Okay, I can write it like that, interval from 6 to 10, or I could say it's 8 plus or minus 2. These are saying the exact same thing. So 8 minus 2 is 6, 8 plus 2 is 10. So what I'm doing here is I'm just going to convert this to that. Okay, the first thing you want to do is figure out what's the midpoint between these two values, because that's the thing I'm going to be plus or minusing from. So to do that, I'm just going to take the average of these two numbers. So we'll add them together. So we have 631.6 plus 467. Divide them by 2. So the middle value is going to be 549.3. Now I'm adding and subtracting something from 549.3 to get these two values. To figure out what that is, I'm just going to take either one and subtract 549.3. So that's 631.6 minus 549.3. 82.3. So this is going to be 82.3. 549.3 minus 82.3 gives me 467. 549.3 plus 82.3 gives me 631.6. Same thing here. This is just express the confidence interval in the same form. You can write it as an interval notation. This is a triple compound inequality. But this can be written as negative 14.1 to 299.3. So we're going to do the exact same thing. Find the average. Plus negative 14.1 divided by 2. So 142.6. Then figure out what I'm adding and subtracting to that to get the other numbers. So 299.3 minus 142.6. 156.7. There you go. This thing is just reversed. Okay, it's one's in interval notation, so you're just going to take 255 plus this, 255 minus this, and write them inside parentheses. 255.5 minus 142.8, 112.7. And then I will add 255.5 plus 142.8, 398.3. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing down here. It's just now, instead of writing it in parentheses, you're just going to put the lower bound here